Finding the right bicycle is always an exciting idea. After all, you're either getting it either for transport, exercise, or entertainment, all of which are beneficial to you. You therefore shouldn't settle for any ordinary bike, even if you're looking for a cheap one. There are many products available to choose cheap bikes for adults, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap bikes for adults from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike for Men and Women. If you want to explore the rugged terrain, you need a sturdy mountain bike. Designed for stability and smooth gear changes, a mountain bike can handle paved roads and trails without wearing you out. The Schwinn High Timber mountain bike is a prime example. It boasts a lightweight frame and plenty of gears to tackle any terrain. You don't want to pedal a heavy bike up rough terrain or break down in the middle of a ride. You love the lightweight alloy rims on grueling rides, along with the 20-inch all-terrain tires. An alloy crank cuts down on maintenance, and the steel frames ensure long-lasting durability. With the Shimano speed shifters and rear derailleur, you can smoothly change gears as needed. You won't notice a jerking motion as you switch to a lower or higher gear. Whether you're cruising down the road or biking an unexplored trail, you'll enjoy a smooth ride. Do keep in mind that the bike comes in two types, with 7 and with 21 speeds, so make sure to get the one you need. Positive side of this product: lightweight alloy rims and crank, Shimano shifters and derailleur, large tires for more stability. Number 2. 640 Round the Block Men's Cruiser Bike. Debatably the most classic-looking cruiser around, the 640 Round the Block Men's Cruiser boasts similar features to its female intended counterpart. The 640 Round the Block Cruiser is the perfect bike for the casual rider. Longer rides are more comfortable thanks to the bike's upright riding style, and you can easily adjust the height and tilt of the handlebar for a customized ride. Instead of assuming that one bike fits all, they've split up the two to make it even more comfortable of a ride for everyone. The everlasting stylistic design paired with the smooth acceleration is something that nobody would pass up. To optimize the riding experience for all heights, weights, and ages, this bike comes with 24 to 26-inch wheels. Choose what best suits your needs and hit the road. You can also purchase either a 1-speed, 3-speed, 7-speed, or 21-speed bike depending on your preferences. All bikes come with a smooth shifter to keep it simple. Most cycling companies seem to focus mostly on the seat cushion, and not so much on the tire cushion. However, the 640 Round the Block Men's Cruiser Bike comes with not only a comfortable seat, but also cushioned tires to keep the ride smooth, regardless of the cracks in the road. Positive side of this product: comes with 1, 3, 7 or 21 speeds. Cushioned tires keep the ride smooth. Comfortable seat and handlebar design. Sturdy steel frame. Number 3. Mungus Mountain Bicycles. Mungus is a company known for producing not only high quality, but also astonishingly good-looking bikes. Their Status 2.2 is no exception. It's a truly gorgeous-looking bike, with lots of features that make it a steal for that price. It has a lightweight aluminum suspension frame, with an additional front suspension, that will provide you with a lot more comfort when driving on rough terrain. It also has 21 speeds with twist shifters, making it easier to adjust to changing driving conditions. The wheels are big and wide, with deep treads, which is a must for every good mountain bike, in order to give you stability, comfort, and good grip on any surface. Both the seat and handlebar are adjustable, so that you can optimize the fit of the bike. Positive side of this product: dual suspension, aluminum frame, 21 speeds with twist shifters, alloy front and rear disc brakes, wide wheels suited for rough terrain. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.